Imagine a world where every tool and technology has vanished and humanity must start over from scratch. This is the world of Dr. Stone, a thrilling journey that melds scientific fact with creative fiction. As we explore this series, we uncover not just entertainment, but a celebration of human knowledge and ingenuity. Dr. Stone isn't just another anime, it's a science lesson hidden in a captivating story. It challenges viewers to think, question, and learn. The series makes science accessible and exciting, proving that knowledge can be as thrilling as any superhero saga. By using a gripping narrative, Dr. Stone invites us into a deeper understanding of the world around us. It shows that with science, even the impossible can become possible. Let's dive into the scientific adventure that Dr. Stone offers. Dr. Stone starts with a mysterious global event that petrifies all of humanity. Thousands of years later, Senku Ishigami awakens and finds himself in a world devoid of civilization. His mission? Rebuild society using the power of science. This premise sets the stage for a fascinating exploration of scientific principles. Senku's journey is not just about survival, but about reviving and advancing human civilization. His approach is methodical and based on real scientific methods and principles. This basis in real science makes the viewer's journey both educational and entertaining. As Senku progresses, he encounters various challenges that require complex scientific solutions. These challenges range from creating shelter and tools to developing medicines and energy sources. Each solution is a mini lesson in science, detailed enough to educate but simple enough to inspire. One of the first scientific challenges in Dr. Stone is the creation of the revival fluid, a compound capable of reversing the petrification. This introduces viewers to the basics of chemical reactions and the scientific method. Senku's trials and errors in creating the fluid are a practical demonstration of hypothesis testing and experimentation. Chemistry continues to play a central role as the series progresses. From synthesizing antibiotics to making gunpowder, each chemical creation is a crucial step in rebuilding civilization. These moments are not only pivotal to the plot, but also provide clear, real-world applications of chemistry. Senku's use of chemistry is not just about creating substances, it's about understanding the elements. He teaches his friends and us about the periodic table and the properties of elements like sulfur and nitrogen. This educational aspect transforms viewers from passive watchers to active learners. Physics is another pillar in Senku's quest to jumpstart civilization. One memorable moment is the creation of a hydroelectric power station. This project introduces concepts of mechanical energy, electricity, and circuitry, showing how energy can be harnessed and utilized efficiently. Senku's innovations, such as the construction of pulleys and gears, delve into the laws of physics like leverage and mechanical advantage. These principles are demonstrated in a way that is digestible and applicable, turning complex theories into understandable concepts. The series also explores optics, as seen when Senku creates glasses for a nearsighted friend. This not only solves a practical problem, but also dives into the physics of light and lenses. Through these stories, Dr. Stone brings physics to life, making it relevant and exciting. Section 5. Biology Resurrecting Civilization. Biology plays a pivotal role in Dr. Stone, particularly in areas like healthcare and agriculture. The way Senku creates antibiotics from mold is a direct homage to the discovery of penicillin, highlighting the significance of microbes and biotechnology. This episode effectively demystifies germ theory and the crucial role of antibiotics in medicine. Another key focus is agriculture. Senku and his team work diligently to cultivate crops, securing a stable food supply, and introducing viewers to concepts such as plant biology, genetics, and the influence of soil composition on agricultural success. These lessons are not just academic, they're essential for sustainability and survival. Moreover, the revival of humanity in the series also explores human biology and evolution. Discussions about the human body, its necessities, and its adaptability to different environments are skillfully integrated into the storyline, adding layers of depth while enhancing our understanding of human biology. Section 6. The Power of Knowledge and Education. Dr. Stone powerfully asserts that knowledge is humanity's greatest asset. The series illustrates how, with education, even the most daunting challenges can be surmounted. This resonates a compelling message, urging viewers to cherish and seek out knowledge. Moreover, the importance of imparting wisdom to future generations is a recurrent theme. As Senku educates the inhabitants of the Stone World, the audience too learns alongside them. This parallel education not only boosts the narrative's engagement, but also its educational value. Education in Dr. Stone extends beyond the mere scientific facts. It encompasses practical skills and critical thinking, adopting a holistic approach. This makes the series an outstanding educational tool, demonstrating that knowledge, in any form, holds immense power. Engineering feats in Dr. Stone are not only about survival, but about advancing civilization. The construction of bridges, vehicles, and even communication devices like telephones are significant plot points that demonstrate engineering principles and problem-solving skills. Senku's approach to engineering involves a deep understanding of material science. He uses local resources innovatively, creating solutions that are sustainable and efficient. This teaches viewers about resource management and the importance of adapting to one's environment. The show also tackles larger engineering projects like building a ship and designing a balloon. These projects are detailed and realistic, providing a step-by-step look at the engineering process from conception to execution. This not only entertains but educates on the complexities and rewards of engineering. Dr. Stone also delves into environmental science. The use of local and natural resources is a recurring theme. Senku often emphasizes the importance of balancing resource use with sustainability, showcasing a responsible approach to science and technology. The series explores the impact of human activity on the environment and the importance of innovations that minimize ecological footprints. For instance, the creation of biodegradable materials and the use of renewable energy sources are highlighted, promoting environmental awareness. Sustainability is not just a side note, it's integrated into the storyline. This integration teaches viewers the importance of environmental science in everyday life and the role it plays in the longevity of civilization. While Dr. Stone is grounded in real scientific principles, it also takes creative liberties to enhance the story. This blend of fact and fiction is key to its appeal. The scientific accuracy attracts those interested in learning, while the fictional elements keep the narrative exciting and unpredictable. The fictional aspects, like the initial global petrification, serve as a catalyst for the scientific exploration that follows. This setup allows for a deep dive into various scientific fields within an engaging post-apocalyptic scenario. The balance between educational content and creative storytelling is delicate. Dr. Stone manages to educate without overwhelming, making science approachable and enjoyable. This makes it a pioneer in science-themed entertainment. Dr. Stone represents a significant step forward in the way science is portrayed in entertainment. By weaving complex scientific ideas into the fabric of its narrative, it has set a new standard for educational content within entertainment media. The success of Dr. Stone suggests a growing appetite for content that is not only enjoyable, but also intellectually stimulating. This trend could lead to more shows that inspire a love of science and learning among viewers worldwide. The potential for science-themed entertainment to contribute to education is immense. As we look to the future, series like Dr. Stone could play a crucial role in shaping a more knowledgeable and curious global community.